Well, they said it was going to go above freezing today, and everything is still wet, but we're going to try to get us a little ride in here today. I think most of the snow is melted, and I hope they haven't oversalted the roads. Well, you can see the roads are still wet. They said it wasn't going to rain. They lied. It's raining. Oh! Here he comes. I got your video. The Kawasaki's running?
Yeah.
You got it running?
The background's great.
You didn't take it out and ride it yet though, did you?
No.
Come on, just put a Suzuki plate on it.
I'm waiting for the alternator cover. The guy had it back before. Damp it. It's scraping the shit out of that thing.
You want me to fix it or not?
No, I got one brand new.
This will match my R1.
I don't think I'm gonna pick it up. It has the rust.
Oh, yeah, give it back. You got rusty discs. So all the tough guys are here. You can see.
Where's the Bob?
All the real. I know Bob will be here. All the tough guys are here.
I know what.
Let's go have coffee. Come on.
I know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the afternoon.
That was hail on the way up here. You know.
Yeah.
Did you feel it?
Yeah.
We were hitting some hail on the way up here. It must be nice to have the money for a new bike. It must be nice. Anyway, we're gonna head in and see if Uncle Jose is here.
Hey!
Whoa! I saw that bike outside. Oh my God!
There's a run on your wheel. The wheel you painted, there's a run in there. I saw it in
That's your nose dripping from crying.
And polish a little
You were crying, wishing you had wheels like that on that
run out of there, okay?
that cheesy bike you
I
have.
think we have to rename him either Mr. Hollywood or
Hollywood, look, he's in the movies
as
again.
Dino Dino
Isn't jealousy a terrible thing? He wishes he was good looking like us. Now to show you how lucky it is, we were or are. On our way up here, we hit some hail in the middle of the park. It started hailing. I don't know if the video's going to come out, but it really was hailing. And the sun is out. It's just like unbelievable. All the rain is stopped. I think the roads are even going to dry up. Maybe an hour from now, there'll be a MotoGP. You never can tell. There's some nasty stuff on the roads today. But actually, to be honest, the sun is coming out. Who knew? Who expected the sun to come out? It really is coming out. And the lakes up around the park are still frozen. Amazing. Now who knew on a ride home the sun was going to come out? Now if only the roads would dry up, it'd be fine. The roads are still so slippery though. Now the real fun begins, cleaning up the bike. But hey, we started out with some real crappy weather, a little bit of rain, a little bit of hail, wet roads, and it wound up being just a beautiful day. A great ride, and anytime you can steal one this time of year above freezing. Hey, hope you enjoyed sharing it with us, and thanks for watching.